फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग कुछ कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग का जो स्टेट और बीपीएससी में पूछा जाता है बार बार, वो क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स करेंगे डायरेक्ट। एलिमेंट्री कॉस्ट, एलिमेंट ऑफ कॉस्ट क्या होता है? मटेरियल, लेबर एंड एक्सपेंसेस। द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग प्रोवाइड इंफॉर्मेशन टू मैनेज फॉर डिसीजन मेकिंग। Cost accounting mainly help the management in providing information to management. Cost accounting is provide all the following information except cost forecast. Which of the following is the most behavior oriented approach to produce costing process costing होता है। The total of all direct expense is known as prime cost. Prime cost per unit reduced with increased output. Cost incurred in part have no effect on future decision making is called sunk cost. Variable overhead remain fixed per unit. The biscuit manufacturer covers employee batch costing. Cost incurred to convey raw material into finished good, convention cost. Material price are close to current economic value. LIFO. Depreciation is a semi-variable expenses. Cost of production is also office cost if there is no selling and distribution expense. Variable cost increase as the production goes up. Rent on own building is imputed cost. Storekeeper should be initiate a purchase request when stock research reorder level. डिस्काउंट अलॉट टू बल्क परचेज ट्रेड डिस्काउंट कहते हैं। नॉर्मल लॉस इज प्रोड्यूस इज अनवाइडेबल। द कॉस्ट ऑफ नॉर्मल वेजेस लेस स्क्रैप वैल्यू इफ एनी बॉर्न बाय गुड यूनिट। एबनॉर्मल लॉस शुड बी ट्रांसफर टू कॉस्टिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट। FIFO method is suitable in time of rising price. Cost accounting is a part of managerial account. Head office of institution of cost account कहाँ है? कोलकाता। Period costing, fixed cost. The price are rising, the stock should be LIFO. Maximum bonus rate under health premium 50%. The total cost of combination, cost of production, selling and distribution overhead, economic order quality, optimum order size, fixed cost, profit and loss, contribution, beyond stand in cost accounting, ideal standard, allotment of overhead of cost unit, cost allocation.